Today's video I will show you how to lock your Google Chrome browser on mobile using a password. This is super handy trick if you want to protect your browsing privacy or keep your data secure. So let's jump right in. First, open the settings app on your phone. In the search bar at the top, type app lock. Most smartphones already have these features built in, so it should show up right away. Tap on app lock and then enable it. Now choose custom pin and enter the password you would like to use. You can also enable fingerprint unlock if you want a faster option. Once that's done, scroll through the list of apps and find Google Chrome. Tap on it and lock the app with your new PIN. Now go back to your home screen, open Chrome. You will see that it now asks for the password before launching, and that's it. Your Chrome browser is now securely locked behind your chosen pin. If your phone doesn't include app lock by default, no problem, just open the Google Play Store, search for lock apps and install any trusted app from the list. Once installed, use it to lock Chrome with a password. It works the same way. And that is it for today's video. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.